The freshest hotspots, activities, food, and leisure for you and your family starts right here on BTV. Coming up next.
Hi, I'm Marla. Welcome to Beach TV, and I'm ready to lounge around right here at De Lazy Lizard.
This week at the beach is brought to you by the original House of Welsh, Waterman Seafood Company, Anthony's Beer, Wine, and Deli.
Hi, I'm Marla. Welcome to Beach TV, and I'm right here with Justin at De Lazy Lizard, First Street, right in the bay in Ocean City. Beautiful views.
Absolutely beautiful.
Now, you've got something that no other place has here, and that is valet boat parking.
Yeah, we have Captain Kevin, the dockmaster, who is just running right behind us now, and as you can see, is the fastest dockmaster in town, and probably one of the only dockmasters in town.
He's on it. Aside from that, you have fabulous selection on your menu.
Oh yeah, we serve some of the best crab cakes in town, handmade every day, along with handmade mozzarella logs, believe it or not.
Ooh. Also, I had the soup yesterday, the Maryland crab. It was loaded with chunks of crab meat. Unbelievable. Ahi tuna, I had that. That was really yummy. You also have happy hour. How many days a week?
Happy hour every day.
Every
7 days
day.
a week. Yeah, 3 to 6.
3 to 6.
And that's $2 domestic cans, and we have $6 shrimp, clams, and wings.
Ooh. Now, what about football? Because I did notice many TV sets inside, and they're huge, high definition.
Yes, football every Sunday and Monday. We're going to do football specials, and we did buy the biggest TVs the store had. So.
And really great views too. I
can
see
absolutely.
It right. You also have the NFL football, all that stuff going on that we just spoke about to watch on those gorgeous TV sets. Entertainment.
Oh yeah, we have entertainment. This time of year we have entertainment every Friday and Saturday starting at 5 o'clock.
You don't want to miss that. The best entertainers around right here at De Lazy Lizard, and new menu items coming out for the fall.
Oh yes, we have pork chops, and then we're bringing pasta to the menu, and the pasta is fantastic.
What kind of pasta? 'Cause I'm an expert in the pasta department.
Every different kind of seafood pasta you can imagine.
That sounds unbelievable. So you have plenty of drink specials for NFL. You want to come watch your favorite football game. Lots of food. You have $6 items for happy hour. I do remember seeing that.
Yeah, the $6 wings, shrimp, and clams.
Wings, shrimp, clams, $6. Happy hour, 7 days a week from 3 till 6. De Lazy Lizard open 7 days a week year round.
Yes. And we do have actually extra entertainment. I did forget. One of our bartenders, Pat Pugh, is actually entertainment all on his own.
Oh, so we could come here, have a drink, and be entertained.
And by Pat, yes.
Whether there's music or not, Pat's going to hook you up.
Pat is actually the probably the best entertainment in Ocean City. Comedian, juggler, and, well, all-around funny guy.
Well, I'm going to have to come here and witness that myself. Make your way right here. Beautiful views, awesome food, great entertaining staff right here at De Lazy Lizard, First Street, right in the bay.
Great food, great times, the House of Welsh.
The House of Welsh, a Baltimore landmark since 1900, has moved to Fenwick Island. Serving great homemade food, it's where good friends meet for great entertainment and superior food. Serving daily lunch specials 11 to 3, along with $4 off early bird 4 to 6, 7 days a week. It's the House of Welsh in Fenwick Island, Delaware. Open 365 days a year, 11 until. You'll always find a great meal featuring choice cut steaks and fresh seafood at the House of Welsh.
Great food, great times, the House of Welsh.
Waterman Seafood Company, conveniently located on Route 50 in West Ocean City, is featuring the freshest full complement of seafood in our market, and our new sports lounge and raw bar with all-you-can-eat crabs, crab legs, shrimp, chicken, fresh corn, and more. Waterman's features the finest signature seafood dishes with an expanded menu and new dishes for both land and sea lovers. Waterman Seafood Company, with kids menus, over 2 acres of parking, and seating for over 300 people. Come and enjoy our family fun and Eastern Shore splendor today.
B-Rad's still here for Anthony's Beer, Wine, and Deli on the corner of 33rd Street. Here at Anthony's, we're known for quality ingredients and maxed out portions. Amazing cold cuts, super sandwiches, prepared with meats and cheeses from Boar's Head brand. Fresh salads made daily, and a large selection of beer and wine to go. Anthony's hits the spot. This has been B-Rad for Anthony's Beer, Wine, and Deli on the corner of 33rd Street, a tradition of maxed out portions and quality ingredients.
You're watching the Beach Television Network. Stay here. There's lots more coming right up.
Did you know that the majority of drowning accidents are the result of boaters not wearing life jackets? Make sure that your family and friends aren't part of this statistic by assigning each member of your onboard team with a life jacket prior to departure.